Hi, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to cook a beef. So it's going to be a roast beef. So we're going to do a three-part process. We're going to seal it, we're going to steam it, and then we're going to roast it. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video today. So we've got a lovely bit of beef from the butchers. As you can see, it's an amazing bit of beef, really fresh, beautiful. And then we've got a little bit of beef fat with it that we got with the butchers as well for free. This is butcher's meat, absolutely full of flavour, good quality. So get your meat from the butchers. I can't stress it as much. It's a really good product and it tastes amazing. It's got some really good juicy and succulent flavours, and then we're going to season this up so it tastes beautiful, and we're just going to roast it. Let's get into the video. So the first bit is we're going to heat the pan up, and then we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in it. Then we're going to put the beef and seal it lightly in the pan of hot oil. A little bit of seasoning, black pepper, salt. We're going to seal it on one side and then turn it over, and do that in the process of sealing it on the other side, turning it over and just keeping it like that. Just keep turning it over, sealing it. See the lovely caramelization on it, and we're just sealing that beef and fat. It's going to be beautiful. So we're going to take the beef and we're just going to put it on the tray. So this is a good tray, non-stick, as you can see, and then we're just going to give it a little bit more seasoning. So we're going to go in with a little bit more black pepper, a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of thyme as well. You can use fresh, dried, it's up to you, just like that. There we are. So now I'm going to put it in the Ninja Combi, the air fryer, and I'm going to steam it for 10 minutes. Yeah, so this is the finished beef. So we've actually sealed it in the pan, then we've steamed it for 10 minutes, depending on the size of the joint, and then we've roasted it. It smells beautiful, and then we've just used the juices that have gone through to the bottom of the baking tray. We've used that for the gravy. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification for more videos.